Hi, it's me, Bastian, and I've got a question from Wieland Reis. And the question is, I'm translating to English, how important is it to have exact formulations in software patent applications for the technicality assessment? So first of all, getting the claims right is critical for any patent, not just software and digital patents, because the claims define the scope of protection, right? My first thought was, well, if something is technical or not is not so much a question of the claim wording, but more about the nature of the thing you are concerned with, right? But the more I was thinking about the question, I think the answer is yes, it is to some extent very much about the claim wording, because when we talk about patent claims, we always talk about levels of abstraction in the end. So let me tell you what I mean by an example. So let's say the invention is about denoising images in a camera with AI, with some special kind of machine learning model, okay? And now you could think about claiming the new neural network even without the use case of denoising camera images, because already the structure of the neural network you thought of is new. This is probably considered non-technical by the European Patent Office, because as we all know, the fundamental algorithms and computing structures underlying AI and machine learning are considered currently to be mere mathematics. Now, one level down in the abstraction pyramid, you could claim the new neural network for the specific use case, but still on a very generic level. Something like denoising images in a camera in a certain way with certain method steps using a machine learning model. Here, the machine learning model will probably be considered technical because its use is limited to a technical application, but it's still extremely broad. And then, even one step further down in the abstraction hierarchy, you could claim the specific implementation of the idea, for example, with, let's say, a mobile net, which is a special kind of convolutional neural network that results in very small models, which is important for deployment on a small device like a camera. Here, this level of abstraction is even more technical, but on the other hand, also quite limited. So, in essence, I think it's all about finding the right balance between functional features with a broad scope, which always have the risk of sounding too functional, or as an European Patent Office examiner would say, they only describe a result to be achieved. And on the other hand, you have specific structural features, meaning the specific technical implementation at the cost of a limited claim scope. Hope this answers your question. I'm Bastian Best, European Patent Attorney for the Digital Future, and if you've got a question, put it in the comments below and I will make another video. And if you want to find out which other parts of an AI you can patent besides the machine learning model, check out this video here. I'm sure you will like it.